Baked Brie Bites, 4 flavors in one tray. Perfect little appetizers that melt the moment you bite into them. If you want the full printable recipe, I'll leave a card above so you can check it out on the website, and don't forget to subscribe. Here I'm starting with 2 sheets of puff pastry, still a little semi-thawed so they're easier to cut and not too sticky. Next, 1 full wheel of brie. Cut the brie into 24 small pieces and gently tuck each one right into the pastry cups. You want them generous, they melt down fast in the oven. For the cranberry flavor, add a spoonful of whole berry cranberry sauce, about 6 teaspoons total. Then move on to the bacon flavor with diced bacon, again 6 teaspoons. Top those with 6 pecans, halved, and finish with a drizzle of maple syrup. Next is the apricot flavor. Add apricot preserves, then a sprinkle of crushed walnuts on top. For the garlic herb flavor, mix the melted butter with fresh garlic and spoon just over a teaspoon of that mixture into each cup. Bake until the pastry is a deep golden brown, about 10 to 15 minutes. Serve warm and watch them disappear. And if you want more appetizers like this, hit subscribe.